My name's Ethan Boron. I'm the president at BioThane. BioThane's a manufacturer of coated webbing products that are used in the medical field, in sporting goods, a lot of equestrian products as well. One of the best things that Priority did for us was implementing MRP. Before we implemented MRP, we did all of our production planning on spreadsheets. This led to a lot of mistakes. We implemented MRP. We were able to reduce our inventory costs by 40%.
We began utilizing Priority's inventory management system. Now everything is scanned in and reported right away. As soon as we started using it, our shipping errors were reduced by 95%.
Reporting is where you start to really see the power of Priority. There's so much great data available in Priority, but it's the ease in which you can harness this data now. You're putting it in a format that allows you to analyze it and make decisions very quickly to the benefit of your business.
Priority has allowed us to integrate efforts across multiple departments: sales, production, shipping, finance.
We have traceability. If a customer gives us our lot number, we can trace all the way back to our raw materials. It's a very good system for quality assurance.
We have been using Priority for 20+ years. Over that time, our needs have changed. And with those changes, Priority's been able to meet every single one of our needs.
There's so many things that Priority has enabled us to do, we feel has given us a competitive advantage.